Today in our kitchen, we'll be making fruit chaat. It's my family's favorite and I believe every iftar is incomplete without it. Fruit chaat is just like a fruit salad. The more variety of fruits you have, the better it will be. But it's definitely up to you to add your favorites. For today's video, I'll be taking a few guavas, I have pomegranate, green grapes, strawberries, my personal favorite kiwis, some bananas, and we have apples. And let's not forget my slices of sweet melon. So let's get right into the video. I've added in all the fruits. Now we just mix it gradually so it can be mixed well together. Do let me know in the comment section which one fruit is your favorite and which fruits you don't like. Now to make our fruit chaat creamy, I've taken 1 cup of double cream yogurt. Then I added 2 tablespoons of double thick cream. Now I'm going to whisk these two well together. I've whisked this well together and make sure the yogurt mustn't have any lumps in it. I've added about 1/4 cup sugar. I've added in chaat masala. You can use any brand you like. I specifically can't specify which one I'm using at the moment, but they all work really well. Now I'm going to mix this well together. You can see we've got a nice consistency of the yogurt here. Now I'm going to add the yogurt to the fruits. You add the yogurt in gradually. Now we're going to fold the fruit into the yogurt gradually. There you have it. My fruit chaat is finally ready. Just right in time for iftar because it's a really easy recipe. I've added some nuts on top which is totally optional, but I add it as it's my mom's favorite.